Hello everyone. This is Hitesh Mehta. I welcome you all once again to my channel. As you have already seen in the title, in this video I am going to give you some special tips to begin your Python journey in an effective and a good way. Okay, so let's get started with this video without wasting any time. I just want to remind you that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please give it a thumbs up or give the video thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So, जैसा कि आपको पता है, many students when they come in class 11th, they study Python for the first time. So they're afraid of it. I have seen many of the children who are afraid of Python because they're poor at logics. Python is not about the language. It is not about the computer language. It is about logics. Okay. I'll explain. I'll give you a few tips which you can apply to yourself, and you can see the difference, and you can just gradually increase your pace of learning Python language. So चलो शुरू करते हैं. Okay, so the first tip है हमारी, it is take and read a nice book to understand the concepts of Python. So what is the most important thing about Python? क्या है आपको most important thing? The most important thing is a good teacher as well as a good book. Okay, book supports us a lot. Personally, I have taken class 11th and 12th books Python for Python of NCERT to read each and every concept properly. Okay, so you should have a book. The what are the books that I would prefer to you are NCERT for class 11th and 12th, and that of Sumita Arora. Okay, you know she's a very renowned writer of this book. Okay, you can see this book in the this picture. This is class 11th computer science textbook for this is by NCERT, and this one is by Sumita Arora. So I would recommend to you that you can take any of these books. These books are awesomely great. These are great books for computer science. You can use any of them for your reference. Okay, so एक book का होना it's very much necessary. Okay, आपको book से पता चलेगा कि what are these terms called. हमारे Python में when we learn a specific language, only coding is not important. What else is important? That you should be aware of the terms and definitions also. So that is why I would recommend to you that these two books are awesome. Even this NCERT book is very great, very nice. I have personally used this book, and I can definitely say to you that you would fall in love with these books. Okay, these books are awesomely great. So this was the tip number one, that you should take a nice book to make your concepts crystal clear in Python. Okay, so moving to the second and the another great important tip is that don't just listen, or just don't just keep on reading the book. Apply it to your Python skills. Apply it to yourself. Okay, practice yourself thoroughly. You have to practice daily. You have to practice Python language daily. It's not though it's not that much difficult language, but you should be practicing regularly to keep it on your tips. Okay, so just make sure that you keep on practicing it thoroughly. Practice it regularly. Remember, practice is the key to learn everything. Okay, so practice is the most important concept that you should be knowing here in the Python. Okay, and not in just Python, in any other subject also. You might be a science student, that you have other subjects like physics and chemistry. They also require physics, chemistry, maths, biology. All these subjects require practice and only practice. So don't just keep on listening to the YouTube tutorials. Don't just keep on listening to your teacher. Apply it to yourself. Okay, then only you'll succeed. So moving to the third tip, it is that don't give up until you exhaust. Okay, don't give up until you get exhausted. Don't look into the solution until you get up tired. You get tired of solving the question. Suppose you get a question, you have spent 10 minutes on solving the question, and then you are not able to find the solution, you are not able to crack the question. Don't just go and look into the book. Don't just find a solution right there on the YouTube. No, that's wrong. That would hamper your logical reasoning. That would hamper your logics. Okay, so practice. Try to solve each and every question until you get exhausted up, until you just get tired up solving the question so many times, and then you, if you are not getting the correct solution, then you might look into the book. Okay, so books इसलिए नहीं है कि they just give us questions and solutions. No, they're for giving you questions. They're giving you questions to practice, and you have to practice your questions on your own. You can't just take a help of a book and see the question answer this type. Wrong. It is the completely wrong method. You have to improve upon your question solving ability in your mind. Okay, so just solve each and every questions until and unless you just get tired up, you just get exhausted up. Okay, that would be the tip number 3. Now the last but not the least tip is this I would call a pro tip. Okay, why it is a pro tip? See, improve upon your logical reasoning. Improve upon your logical reasoning. Improve upon your critical thinking. See, coding is not all about learning a language by your heart. No, it's about logic. It's about enhancing upon your logic skills. It's about widening your logical ability and the thinking, critical thinking. Okay, enhance your logical ability by solving endless amounts of questions. If you would ask me what's the way to widen your logical ability, I would give you only one suggestion: solve questions, solve endless amount of questions. Okay, there is no end to questions, there is no end to syllabus, there is no end to anything. You just have to work upon it. So don't waste time, work upon it. Work upon your questions, work upon your logical ability, and then I can guarantee you, you will succeed, you will do awesomely well in coding. Not in Python, but in any other language as well. Okay, so that is my last tip that I have given you. So thank you for watching my video. Now work upon your coding skills, now work upon your logical ability, and never give up. Thank you.